How do you make a deposit with QuickTrade Match Trader? Very easy. You've got your live account, so you go into your live account, not your demo account, and you click on over here where it says deposit. Once you click on deposit, it will say there's a crypto deposit, there's a bank transfer, and there's other payment methods. Notice when you click on bank transfer, there is this tiny little blue line. And this tiny little blue line means that it is selected, not this tick. Okay, so ignore the tick. You can do a crypto deposit if you're into Bitcoin and bank transfer, and then there's other payment methods. So if you click on bank transfer, you can easily click on it with the other payment methods, and you can say, how much do you want to deposit? So I want to deposit $100. Once you do that, then you can choose which payment gateway you can select. So you can choose between your bank, your credit card, your check card, Swiffy, Skrill, Ozo, PayFast, and then LowPay. I would choose either the credit card, check card, or PayFast, and if you're overseas, maybe Ozo. That is how to make a deposit using QuickTrade and Match Trader.